Thank you, because you just made me cuter. This. Just this, baby. Just this. Hey y'all, what's up? What's going on? It's B. Thanks so much for tuning in today. As you can see from the title, we're trying something a little bit different with our hair. And as you can see from this video, my hair is not curly, it's straight. So keep on watching to find out what I did to get this hairstyle. Okay, so off the bat, I'm starting off with my hair freshly washed. It's shampooed, conditioned. I added in a little leave-in. I added in a little bit of oil. I used a whole blends conditioner. I really like the way it smells. It really makes my hair smell so good whenever I do a silk press. So before I even touch the tymo comb, I usually blow out my hair. I'm gonna hop in with the detangler brush and I'm going to use my blow dryer and blow it out. So let's hop right into it. Okay, so now my hair is blow dried out. Probably looks crazy, but whatever. My hair has really grown, guys. When you first open the box, first thing that you see is the glove. I think it's like for when you know, touch the heat and stuff. Yeah, it's one of those. Then one of these little thingies, which to me looks like it's the detangling brush. Yeah, it looks like it's a detangling brush, so that's cool. Then they gave me two little hair clippies. Finally, the holy grail. Here it is. I'm ready to get started, y'all. I'm ready. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I just want this to be easy. I just want this to be like I don't gotta do too much, you know? Literally the worst part would be like when you have to grab the straightener, take the comb, and have to like go down with the comb, and you're like here for like forever. Like, that's why I'm excited for this, because like literally it takes away the comb thing. Like, that thing is what takes me forever to do my hair. You gotta get it right, you gotta fix it correctly, you gotta do the I don't want to do that. So it seems like right over here you can see like how high the heat is gonna be, and then right over here is like the higher, make it lower, whatever, and then the power button is right here. And this is what the brush looks like. Okay, it's on. Okay, I probably should look at the directions to see like the heat or whatever. So apparently the directions say that there are 5 different heat settings. This top one is the light, and then the rest of these 5 are going to be the heat settings. So it looks like it goes from 266 degrees Fahrenheit up to 410 degrees Fahrenheit. So there's 5 heat settings. The box says that it takes all different types of hair types, from curly, kinky, straight, whatever. So here we go. Like, I'm excited. I'm going to use the detangler that they provided and just comb my hair through a little bit. Like, I've already detangled when I blew my hair out, but I just want to just make sure that it's fully detangled. So they provided, which I never use any of these heat gloves. I literally always just touch the hair with my hand. Okay. Huh, it looks pretty straight. I gotta take off the glove because the glove is not allowing me to touch my roots because I have really short hair over here. But I don't know how I feel about it. Like the root still feels a little bit puffy. I don't like that. I like my roots to be like silky straight. I'll try another piece of hair and see. I think I'll use a small piece, like a pretty smaller piece this time. Let me see, because maybe it depends on how small the pieces are that you use. That's always a thing. Like, if I don't use a titanium straightener, I swear my hair does not feel like straight enough, as silky enough as I like. So maybe that's the issue here. That feels better. That actually felt really better. And this side actually looks better. Ooh. Ooh. Wait a minute. I like it because it's saying it's just one pass through. So yeah, I actually got way tighter. I got way closer to the root that time. I'm excited. Look at that. It's giving bouncy. Oh, it's giving bouncy, guys. Oh. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna try one more piece for you guys to see, and then I'm gonna do my whole head and come on back. Just feeling this, I'm like really happy. I can't wait to see the whole head. All right, so basically what I'm gonna do now is finish the whole head, and then I'll come back and show you. Okay, so I think after a couple of passes through like my hand motion, I kind of get how it works. Because at first I was like, how am I gonna get it to the root? Like, it was getting weird. But now I think I got it. It's moving. I like that. So now I'm for real gonna do my whole head and then come back at y'all. Okay, this is a finished product. It's pretty bouncy. It's pretty bouncy. Just gotta comb it a little bit to really do what I wanted to do, and then I'll probably pass a flat iron through it because I still need, as you can see, I have like very natural edges still, and I can't touch my roots really with the product. So that's really the only thing. It's very good. Like, I love this. I love this. It was really fast. It turned out really good. My hair is bouncy. It's cute still. It was a fast product. I really just needed to do one pass through to get it like this. So it's a really great product. I'm mad happy I have this. Like, whew, I think that my straightening iron just got some competition. Like, I don't know if I'm even gonna use that little straightening iron anymore. Nah, let me stop, because I definitely need to use it for my edges, and I definitely need to use it because I want to do a little bit. Now that I have my little silk press, you know, I want to do a little something, you know, little flips, little curls, you know, whatever. Just a little something. But at the end of the day, this came out really good. Like, I just want like a quick flat iron. I just want a quick silk press or whatever. This did it. This did what it had to do. I'm actually really happy about this. Like, I'm very happy. Like, this is solid. This is solid. This is a solid tool. The only comments, you know, the only problems that I have with it is that it could be a smaller tool and hit your roots. Because it's not hitting my roots, that means that sometimes there are some places where it feels a little bit like puffy still, but it's not terrible. If I take the tool again, hold it on my roots for like 10 seconds, it does straighten it out. And I think that could be solved during the blowout process. If you blow out your hair a little bit straighter, if you blow out your hair a little bit more to stretch it, then this is just a perfect tool. Other than this is perfect. I can walk around like this. I'm good. Like, this is great. Like, I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Okay, love it. I will recommend. I definitely think you guys should go out and get this product. This is it. This tool is it. This comb is it, and I love it. Listen, I recommend. I fully recommend, guys. I fully recommend. Like, I think this is a move for sure. Well, that's it for today, you guys. Thanks so much for watching. If you want to get this product, I put it in the description box. Go check it out. Go click that because it's worth it. If you like this video, give me a like. give me a comment. Please put some comments. Let me know what you think about this product. Would you get this product? Do you have this product? Like, I don't know, like, it was very viral, so I'm sure a lot of you probably already have it. What's your thoughts? Do you like it? And hit that subscribe button because I want to try a whole bunch of other tools and I want you guys to see it. Okay, so bye.